Holy fucking shit. Rally with the family, bro. Jeez, what is going on? What the fuck is going on, baby? Gotta rally with this family, bro. What the fuck? Alright, let's go, bro. That's what I'm talking about. Fucking rally, bro. Fucking ready for this shit. Look at this fucking volume, dude. Look at this fucking volume. We're gonna rally. Dude, we're gonna fucking rally. Alright? Jeez. What's up? What is up? Let's get it. Let's fucking get it. Bro, look at this shit. First green candle here. Nasty fucking green candle. Let's go fucking push. Get it. Holy shit. What I'm talking about. Get it. Here we go, guys. What up? What up? What up? Alright. Let's look at this real quick. First level. Holy shit. Let's go. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, baby. This is insane. Guys. We got the point of interest. We got the point of interest again. Alright. Here we go. I was like, where did I go for a second? Guys, look at this fucking volume. Alright, for a sec. Just for a sec. Look at this increase in volume, alright? Like, this rally is just starting, man. I was comparing this today. So this is August 24th, and it's looking very similar. Again, I know I pull this chart up a lot, okay? But guys, this started around the same time here. All right, both of these. Look at this. Okay, it started right around here. Now, the charts are different. Like, this one is stretched out, so this is actually supposed to be a lot higher. We were counting the same percentages. You can see the volume started to pick up right around 12 to 1, and then it just went. I mean, look, the same fucking thing is happening right now. We're like right here, dude. Taking a breather. This thing is probably going to keep running for another 45 minutes. So, dude, we're here for that shit. We're going to fucking rally. And, yeah, guys, this is the point of interest, man. This is the point of interest that I'm talking about here. I do expect us to go to that, possibly that $18.50, $19.50, maybe $20 level if this continues. It's just picking up now. There's no reason why this should come back down. We've been down for a while. So there's absolutely no reason why this thing should just fucking crash to the bottom right now. The SPY is doing okay. GameStop is doing okay. Not having the same gains, but no, this thing is going to keep going, bro. This thing is going to keep going. Fucking rally, baby. Alright, where my elephant at? There he is. There he is. Alright, let's rally with the family. Yeah, like the shit out of this video. Let's get everybody in here, alright? Share it with your friends, your family. Fucking... Come on, bro. Let's go. Here we go, here we go. Much in volume right here. 325,000 right here in volume. And it's only Tuesday, baby. Wow. Wow. Alright, first level of support. We're about to cross. We're about to cross. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna pull up the Spy over here just in case. See what the fuck it's doing. Spy is like kinda just chilling, man, not doing anything, so Amy is separating from the Spy, negative beta, let's go. Candle does not fucking scare me at all. It's taking a breather. Here's the chart for reference. So we're currently right around here. Right around here. My bad. Right here. Wow. Here, let's fucking bring up August 24th, bro. Baby. Yeah, bro, 19 bucks is what I'm looking for. $19. 19 and then a little breather, and then we'll see what it does after that, but that's the level I'm looking at. Fucking go, bro. Milo, thanks, man. Long time. Yes, much love. We rally, baby. That's what we do. That is what we do. Get it, baby! Come on! Fucking go! That shit. Look at that shit. Perfect. Oh yeah. How's that look, guys? Do you like it? I like it. Fucking love this shit. All right, I'm gonna do a quick update, real quick. I know we're in the middle of a rally, but just want to talk about this real quick, cause just so you guys are aware. All right, so what is going on? All right, well, if you guys were here on stream yesterday, I talked about this being a point of interest. Okay, the current pattern that we were tracking was this one, or no, not this one. Where is it? So this is the weekly scenario here. Okay. And I did have us going up on Tuesday. All right, Tuesday was where we're supposed to come up here to the $18 to $19 level, and then possibly hit 20 before coming back down. So the reason why this is a point of interest is, well, not only does it align with the cycle, okay, but this is also based off of options, and when option contracts are opened and they're hedged for, this is a date in which there's typically a box, a range that you give, right? It's between, it's a 5-day range that you have to give on this point of interest, I would say. Possibly a week as well. But Tuesdays and Thursdays typically seem like a good time frame with options to be releasing these shares out in the market. So, again, we were tracking the March 21st date here on the 3-minute. I don't know why it's not on. Oh, here it is. There we go. I was like, where did it go? You guys see this? So this part right here plays out inverse, but then it starts playing out identical, right? And we get that push up. Now this we might get today, dude. We might not get this after hours. Like, this thing might just keep going up and follow what August 24th seems to be tracking right now. All right? Yeah, dude. Fucking shit's ready, bro. Shit is ready. And the SPY is looking good, too. So. All right. Let's get back to it. Okay, so a little breather here, and then it'll start ripping again. It would be very odd, very weird to me if this thing just starts to dip. But, I mean, anything is possible, but it would be very weird. Because, guys, we found a bottom, and this thing is popping now. It hasn't done that at all, okay? Not with this much volume coming in like this. Didn't even respect this fucking cup and handle. It just fucking went like it normally does. All right? Yeah, we need an elephant trunk, don't we? How am I going to do that, though? How can I make an elephant out of this? I mean, this could be the trunk. Shit's gonna go, bro. Shit is gonna go. I'll bring it back here at some point, but I am looking at that $19 level. That's my target for, like, for options and stuff. That would be a target to exit a position on options. This thing is primed, baby. It is primed. And then also, for that, where is it? Right here. It's at, yeah, like almost 2 o'clock when it peaks. So here I'm looking at like 147 Central, if it does continue to come up, right? Which is what we're hoping for. Let's see. I'm going to pull it up here on TD Ameritrade just real quick. I want to see how much volume they were dealing with. So it started off, yeah, dude, it started off with like 300,000, 500, 400,000, 600,000. And then right at around 1, dude, it started to pick up in the millions very quickly. And it went from 36. See what that percentage is. All right, Amy, start curling back up. Well, here's that bars pattern. So, but it would probably be convenient to actually take the low and the high of that day just to have it know the ratio. I think it's like 25%. I might be wrong though. Yeah, I'm wrong. 32%. I'm going to say about 30% increase. All these major runs, guys, that we see after very low volume, whether it's decreasing or increasing, doesn't really matter with AMC. I mean, we see it all over the place. Right here, okay, it's decreasing in price, V, right? Decreasing in price, V. So, same thing here. I think it's been priming up here for a while, and it's ready to release, right? So, I think, well, 30% increase would be probably around the $20 range. Well, no, 19. Yeah, 19. All right, that's what we're looking at, man. 19 bucks. All right, let's. Oh, Amy. I love it. I love it. I love it. $20 is strong resistance, but it's also a psychological level. And then getting to 20 would, it's definitely possible. I mean, I have it on the radar here, but we do have to, I mean, look at that. See, we're pushing up again. Watch. There it is. So, yeah, this thing is, it's very likely, man, that we're going to see 19 bucks today. It's very likely, but like, we have to see, like, $1 million candles coming in soon. So here we had 500,000 here. If we start to see in the millions, this thing is going to rip very quickly. As the SPY is going down, bro. This is literally is what we want. This is tracking negative to the SPY right now. Okay? That's perfect. Bruh. All right, we cross this resistance here, and we go back into the rally channel. That is how we're going to do it. That is how we're going to do it. Oh, yeah. Not financial advice, guys, but keep an eye out for the premiums right now on the options. I'm keeping an eye out for that, just because, like, they do increase very quickly, and if the price does not continue to go up, you do lose a lot on premium. So, anything could happen here. There is a lot of increase, again, in volume, which is good. Okay, that's an indicator that, there's a lot of people going in on the price at these lows, 1473, and now people want to buy the shit out of AMC. So if this continues to track here and we start to see another green candle, I'm looking at this level, okay, that we just crossed. No, we didn't cross it. If we cross 1625, then I think we're going to see 19 today. All right? But we have to cross this. And it has to, bounce, come up, bounce, and keep going up. Come on, Amy. You get it. And it's funny because GameStop is actually down right now. It just got shorted pretty heavily, actually. And AMC is still going up. So there seems to be a bit of separation here. Even with that selling pressure, as soon as you get the SPY on a bit of a reversal, that is going to bring pressure back into AMC. But I think it's inevitable, man, at this point. I mean, look at that shit. Yeah. Hey, make sure if you haven't liked the stream yet, smash the shit out of that button. Let's get some peeps in here, guys. Let's rally it up with the family, all right? Let's rally it up with the family. Okay. Let's look at this image here again here on the 24th. Okay. So volume starts to come back in around 115 is when we start to see the volume pick up again very quickly. And that's where we seem to be right now. Okay, so in about 3 minutes, we're gonna see some volatility, and I'm hoping it's to the upside, right? This would be such a lame little run if that was the case. Okay, SPY is going down. Hold up, let me see what the SPY looked like on the 24th. Yeah, we'll get some elephants. I got you, bro. I got you. Yeah, the SPY was very volatile actually on... Well, it wasn't volatile. It was just... It's trading sideways actually. Up and down. Different times, right? But similar setup for sure. All right, Amy, we need you to curl back up right now. 2 minutes. Oof, the SPY is dipping. Amy, go up. Break away. Have your own agenda, please. Here, let's bring up the SPY so you guys can see what's going on. See this shit? You have it. Even with this selling pressure, as soon as you get a, so it's coming back here to support. As soon as you get a bounce here, I think that's going to bring Amy up very quickly. So right here, bounce. Like a full reversal, right? You want a full reversal. Amy, turn around. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Come on. Finish up what you started. How much volume is this? 300,000? Alright, 300,000 here. 574. What does this remind me of? This reminds me of fucking... Dude. You know what? You know what I think is gonna happen? Okay. Hold up. Spy. You know how stocks trade against each other? Over-leveraged stocks, meme stocks, cryptos. That's why they look similar, right? What happened with DWAC, right, the other day? DWAC had its rally at its bottom, right? It bounced, and then it rallied. So let's track a similar setup here. I think it happened around the same time, too. What was the rally, though? What's the percentage? I think it was this one. 16%, and then it went up. Whoa, it went up fucking 40% in literally a day. It started at 11:30. Okay, went to 145. So it was this day. It went up 15%, and then the next day it went up. It went up 40. Okay, yeah, let's track this. Fucking better go up, Amy. 11:30. Let's do 11:30 the next day. To it. Oh wow. Okay, and it went up 40%. Is that what it did? Oh, look at that. I mean, it's actually very similar. Here, 15% though. 15% would be at the $17 level here. So it would actually look like this. And then tomorrow we would probably come close to 20. It does have to breathe in between, so even though it's taking a dip now, okay, still have that room to go up, man. This doesn't mean that it's over, and I think it's just taking a breather. I mean, look at this, bro. It had no handle. It just fucking went. And this might be that mini handle that we got going on here. Come on, Amy. Is the price not up? Oh, shit. Okay, my bad. It's like, where to go? There we go. Sorry about that. I didn't even realize. Is it on the space? Yeah, it's on this one too. Alright, let's do a fib channel here. Okay. Alright, with this drop, it does have potential to come to the 6-1. Now, not if it bounces here, though. If it bounces here, and we start to, you know, come back up here, then we should be good to go. But I really hope this is not just, you know, this tiny little run. There's a lot of pressure, man. It just went straight up. Fucking shit. Here's the SPY too. It's completely just... And this is why it's a cycle, guys, because these market makers that know what the fuck is happening and when to do this, they fucking know what's happening in the market. They know what the market's gonna do, right? So they bring the price action up when it's convenient, right? And then when there's a market turn, that naturally brings the price down. Okay, so it's part of the cycle. If not, things would not happen, you know, on time here. Coordinated. It is what it is, man. Maybe 1545, 1540, maybe. Potential to just keep going here. Too early of a drop here. Let's see what the RSI is looking like. Yeah, it's about to be oversold here on the 1 minute. And these are, I mean, these are pretty effective actually. So I'd say, yeah, if it comes back down to 1540 very quickly, it'll bring the RSI down and then it'll have room to come back up again. Strong rippy rip. Here we go. Alright, I'm gonna check something else as well. I do have an indicator here. It's pretty cool. It's called, it works best on the 3 hour. And it is called Neural Network. Okay, and this thing, look at that. The profits on this shit. 621% on the buys and sells. Obviously, I don't pay attention to the short part. I just pay attention to the long. For indicator, it hasn't given anything yet, but it is. You can tell that it is. It's moving that direction. Now, this does use something called the HMA. Okay, HMA is very good at indicating once it does cross. Using the 200 HMA is actually my favorite here as well. Okay. Here's the HMA. We talked about this yesterday, guys. As soon as you cross the HMA, it's likely that you do have a you flip, right? Tables turn. Okay, here we crossed it and then we went, right? Here we crossed it, we went. Crossed it, we went. Very quickly too. Cross. This one was actually supposed to happen on the 4th. But since they exercise shares, okay, you saw that happen earlier. Same thing right here, guys. We just crossed it, and we're about to go. All right, I love this thing. So HMA, and I use the 200. Look at this. Really nice indicator. So this is the target. Here, I'm going to pull up. If we do go down here, I would be looking at this range for a quick reversal. And if we don't go here, this would suck, but I mean, this would suck a lot. But we would probably come down somewhere here if it did continue to do so. And then after that, if we bounce here first, I could see us having a rally until 2 o'clock-ish going into tomorrow. So much fucking volume, Amy. Love it. But no, Sean, this is not a projector. Like on the macro of things, I would not say is a projector. Remember, the projector does bounce. Here, I'll show you guys real quick so you're aware of that. This is why we set up probably about a week ago on this down right here is when we talked about the projector basically, you know, the possibilities of a projector playing out are very slim just because we did cross a major support level. Okay, we do have the projectors back here, right? And I'm gonna bring this one to show you guys real quick. So this is the projector, right? Or the what we call a failed projector, because this is another example of a failed projector right here. Okay, and this one actually came down very quickly. So I'm gonna bring both, and this is what it looked like when we talked about, you know, if we did have a turnaround and this thing bounced back very quickly into the channel, then I would say, okay, since it's larger, you know, there's still some chance for this thing to go very quickly, right? But the problem is that right now it's, you know, it's way down here, right? It's already crossed like multiple levels of support, so, you know, it's not necessarily in play like the rest are. The rest of the projectors are respecting that support trend line, right? So if we replace this here, you can tell right off the bat that, you know, things are playing out inverse. So this is technically a failed projector. It doesn't mean that the price can't, you know, keep going back up. It just means that the probability of a run-up in the short term is not as likely, right? Something like this is not as likely because you need the technicals to be ready for that, okay? For most run-ups that we've seen in the past, guys, for any, and this is an example of actually a projector that, you know, it failed twice, okay? This was the initial touch here, and it came back very quickly, okay? So it was still in the channel, and then it came back to test one more time before breaking down, right? Okay, and then this is our current projector here that failed, right? So things are more likely to be extended into the next point of interest, right? And right now that next point of interest is July, right? Now the only way this would work, guys, in the current point of interest, if things do play out, is if we do cross that $24 level on the macro, all right? And that's on this resistance regression cycle trend here. That means that we would have to come all the way up here in the short term to 25, and we would have to cross it, bounce, and then go. That would be the only way that this projector would be in play, and then we'd be ready to go to all-time highs again, right? But we have to cross this level. And then worst case, you know, we come up here and then we bounce back down and we cycle again for another month or two before setting up for end of July and August time. All right. All right, Amy, what are we doing? Oh, look, we bounced off of the box. We like clean bounce here. I want a full reversal though. I want a full climb, steady up here, and keep going, dude. Come on, Amy. All right, let's take a look at that 24th scenario. Well, the 24th scenario has us going straight up very quickly. Okay. Here we go. Oh no. Let's stretch it. Okay. Okay, hold up. I drew a... Here's that brush. Yeah, so here you can tell right off the bat that it went, you know, this thing didn't really take a breather. Right here, it just started to go up. Okay? Now, the other bars pattern, where is it? This one, it is... So this is the one that happened right before the $34 level that we hit, okay? So there is a possibility we actually play out something like this instead, right? Now this does also suggest that 1750 area, but you know that date might be tomorrow or after hours or here in the short term if things do pick back up, right? Pick back up, Amy. Let's go. Take this shit out. Just want it to go. Bounce off the box, please. Just go. Just wouldn't make sense, man. After being shorted for over a month and really not having any days where you're taking a breather from like a shorts perspective, so that means rally, you know, and then you get a bunch of volume coming in and then it just dies out. Like, just seems like a little break to me before ripping again, but you know, all depends on what these guys have in store for us. Alright, the spy is having a reversal now. So that might bring in some pressure here, Amy. Here we go. I think she wants to run too, man. I think she wants to run too. What up, Stingster? How you doing, man? Wesley, you think we're about to bounce? I hope so, man. Me too. Me too. Let's take this box out now that we know. Hit that level. 1625. You know what? Let's do this. I have an idea. Okay, now that we kind of know what's going on, we can definitely draw an elephant. And its trunk. So its trunk would be right here. Okay. And we want a giant trunk. So what level? 19. That's what I want. Biggest fucking trunk you ever seen, bro. I don't know, like that or something. It's an ugly trunk. That would be cool, though. Nah, Amy, just go up, bro. Just trying to bounce so hard. Big. Okay, she's bouncing though, so this is kind of working. It's kind of working, guys. Okay, we'll just leave it right there. You got the head. Okay, that's the trunk. Goofy looking trunk. Alright. Now we just need some eyeballs. It's a nice elephant. What do you guys think? Alright, come on, Amy. Let's go. Yeah, Mr. Well, this is Amy, sure. Why not? Amy the elephant. Amy the elephant can go up now. There we go. Nice. Alright, we got our elephant, and we can rally now. We can fucking rally now. Common investor, common sense investor. Thanks, man. Would you consider coming on your show for an interview? We'd like to see that. That sounds fun, man. That sounds fun. Shoot me a message. I know I also have an interview set up that I haven't done yet, but it's in the works at some point with Casey. I know that we've been talking about that, so at some point when we do, that would be awesome. Just, yeah, shoot me something on Discord or Twitter. That would be cool. Alright, we need the, where's the elephant mouth at, though, you know? You could just support these, like, lines. That'd be cool, Amy. That would be cool. Just keep going, just like you did the other day. She went right through this fucking elephant trunk. It was dope. Couldn't even cross anything else, bro. It's narrow, though. Hope she respects it. You think so, Alex? You think that's I mean, I don't know. Elephant. I'd say it's okay. I'd say it's okay. You know what we need? We need that mouth. That mouth that licks. There we go. Screaming at the price action. Get the fuck up. Let's go. All right. Well, let's see if it respects the trunk, man. Cause it'd be a shame. If not, we're gonna have to make the elephant trunk bigger and hope it still respects it, right? Okay, the spy's being a fucking piece of shit. That's why. Here's the spy, guys. Oh, man. Okay, we're gonna have to make the elephant trunk bigger. How much fucking bigger, Amy? Damn it. It's big. That is too big. Make his head smaller. Alright. Alright, where are my fib levels at? Alright, so we are at the 1540, so the 1540, or 1544, 1540 would be that level I would be looking at for a bounce here. And anything below that, we are likely headed to this 618 level, which would probably be at the 1510. That would suck. That would suck ass. This is a good indication, no matter what, in my opinion, at, you know, with things turning around here in the market for Amy, okay? Because, you know, everybody's looking at this like, yo, why is there volume increasing right now? Why, you know, look at this, guys. Okay? You can tell right off the bat, we have not had this much volume since probably April 13th at once. See this spike right here? Green spike since April 13th. So it's been over 3 weeks. We have not had that much volume. So this is a good indicator that I think the tables are finally turning. And we did cross, okay, 2 days of resistance. We touched it, okay? One, actually... yeah, we crossed 3 days of resistance, and if we keep going up, that'd be 5. 5 including today, but no, 4 days of resistance, that's good. We have not done that, I don't think, once throughout this entire shorting attack. Alright, 1540, so for a bounce, a continuation in this rally. I don't like this elephant as much as the other one. Alright, I don't think Amy likes it as much. Yeah, we'll get Elephant what's his face, Disco Man. We gotta give him a name. We'll get him back in here towards the end of the day. We'll put him back up. Yeah. Put him at the $19 level, because that's what I want. That's what you guys want too, I'm sure. You probably want higher levels, but realistically, I would say that 19 this week would be very possible if this trend continues to the upside. There we go. Did it bounce? Yeah. Did it really bounce at that fucking level, bro, that I was talking about? Yeah, shit, dude. It bounced at 1540. Alright, can it keep going, though? Can it keep going, though? Oh. Okay, volume's increasing. Now, if this trunk is more parabolic, there's a possibility. It's 145. You guys know how volatility works. It is Tuesday. Tuesdays and Thursdays, volatility does work a little bit different than Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because there's no expiration for the indice, right? The SPY. And I believe that those volatility zones that we track Monday, Wednesday, Friday are best to track on those days. Trying to see what pattern I can track with this one here. I'm gonna do some digging here. Well, tell you what. Track these fib levels real quick. This pattern looks... Now, this would be a fractal if we do track it, but it does look pretty similar. That would also be nice. Either that here, or something like that. I actually think the other one looks way better. And these fibs are like spot on too. Guess we'll see, man. I literally, guys, when I do this, I fit in like as many patterns as I can. Because, I mean, patterns are good. It's just like using, you know, if you're tracking a flag, a cup and handle, if you're using bar patterns from previous cups, previous flags, pennants, whatever you're tracking, wedge, that is a good tool rather than you know, actually drawing the support and resistance lines. Sometimes that helps you. It's a bit quicker too. So I do that a lot here. Actually, this one, average, say something like that. Love that. Okay. Alright. It's the bars pattern right here. It's one. Alright. Elephant trunk being respected so far. Amy. Bruh. And guys, patterns are not always going to track identical to a T. Okay, remember, as you know, as time goes by, you're dealing with different price levels. There's a lot of things going on in the market. Most of the time, you're gonna see very similar ratio levels being hit, right? And that's why I say I love tracking patterns, because it gives you natural fib levels, and it gives you your highs and lows levels at you know, in which you're likely to take a breather, stuff like that. That is great for patterns, but you know, they're not always going to track identical to a T, right? So the cool thing about that is that we don't have to rely on one pattern and be like, oh, okay, now that we crossed down, that means we're not going to go up anymore. No, not at all. This is a unique pattern that is playing out currently, and it's going to do its own thing, all right? And there is still possibility for this thing to continue and, you know, ride its way up, back up. Spy is drunk again? Yeah, I agree with that. We might start getting more volume here, man. Okay, getting close to that 1 or 2 o'clock time. Okay, potential customers coming in. Okay, and the volume did not you know, completely die down to the previous levels. It was basically barcoding back here, and volume just started to come back, which is a good sign. See how much volume was traded just on this range here from start. Okay, 11 million in volume right here compared to the rest of the day. Look at that, 4 million on this one. Bro, the whole fucking day. 10 million. And then just on this range here, bro, 12 million. Okay, it's very tiny. 12, actually from here, it's really, things started to kick off. 40. You want, sure, I'll play that for you. Got you. Let's take this pattern, see if we can find it somewhere else. Still got the price action up, so if we start to rally, I'll come back to the other chart. Just want to see something real quick. Also, guys, just note this. We have been saying that there is a point of interest around this time, right? May 3rd. On the weekly scenario, you guys can see that there is an increase in price action from the 3rd going to the 4th, and which would initially take us up to 19, right? Before taking a breather. Now, this is based off of option expiration dates. We also have the bars pattern that we used. Where is it? There's this one. This is one of the ones that I was using. And then there's also the intraday. Where's that intraday pattern? This one right here. So with intraday patterns, you guys have to remember that, you know, this is a minute chart intraday bars pattern that we use here, and we're using it on the macro. So there's a lot more room for error in between what is happening, right? There's a point of interest right here. And, you know, even though things didn't quite come up here early May, so yesterday, we are starting to see that pressure come back up. So maybe this is that point of interest that we're starting to get here now, right? And you can tell that, yeah, a lot of these do respect the levels, right? And some don't, okay? This one didn't quite go all the way up here, okay? But typically they do respect the support and resistance levels that are happening. So, you know, this is indicating upside here. we might start to get that here in the short term. Hopefully some after hour action would be nice. All right, let's see. That's funny. Wait a minute. That actually looks very similar as well. Fucking pattern right here. Take that one for reference. Alright, we're starting to go back up. We are starting to go back up. That's what I'm talking about.
Barbra Streisand.
From here, I think. Okay, so here are the again, points of interest, guys, even though it's not the exact same pattern, right? You can see when things come up and when things come down quickly, and then, you know, the point of interest is the time frame, not how the pattern behaves. All right, so if you start to see pressure going up here at like 115 or 215, that would be considered a point of interest, right? Or back here, right? Okay, but let's bring the elephant back, because it's still respecting the elephant. Has not crossed below the level that we tracked here, 1540. It's not crossed below that, which is good. Let's see how September 30th looked.
Barbra Streisand.
All right, 1862. Let's go. Did it freeze?
Barbra Streisand.
Okay, there we go. I was like, bro, did it freeze for a sec? The fuck? Hey, let's get it. Come on.
Barbra Streisand.
Here we go. Here we fucking go. Yo. $18.62. Did I say $18.62? Or 15, yeah. I might have said that, bro. If you're listening on podcast, sorry. Like a podcast mode where you just have your headphones in. Some people do that, man. I respect that. I respect that a lot. there's big news tomorrow with, the Fed meeting. So remember, yesterday we talked about how it would be likely that they bring the price up of AMC, today going into tomorrow, right? Because if there's uncertainty in the markets, or if there's bad news, then that would bring the price down of the market, the SPY, naturally bringing AMC down with it. So this is all strategic, guys. They do this, and this is why there's a cycle, is because, if they know that there is bad news in the next couple of days, they're gonna cover most that they can, but that doesn't work, when you are at a point where the stock is vulnerable. Like AMC is a very risky stock, and you have a lot of investors going in on it. It's a more volatile stock, so it doesn't work all the time, because when we do track negative to the SPY and this thing just kind of goes its own way, even if the SPY is crashing or tanking, whatever, and that is good for AMI, right? And we might still get a continuation in that rally. But if not, if this is just a short-term pump and then they're still able to bring the price down, then it will be because of the news that we get, right? The Fed news, which is always a scary moment in the markets. It's respecting these levels so well, dude. I'd love to see a bounce here. This song is, or was, Captain by Justice. Oh, guys, look at that, bro. Amy respecting the elephant trunk. She's pretty good at that, man. She is pretty good at that. I'll tell you what, man. She rarely, I mean, when we do draw these elephant trunks, she has been respecting them. So there's been a couple instances where she just fully crosses below. I hope that's not the case today, but you never know. You never know, bro. Look at this. Did cross here. Come on, just push. Nasty candle up. Let's go. It's 204. All right, 1570. All right. There we go. 71. Need this thing to just fucking go. We need 1 million right now, bro, in candles. Come on. Definitely getting, it's around that margin call time, too. There are margin calls that go out at 2 p.m. Central, so around that time you do see margin calls happening. And that is smaller hedge funds, and that does naturally bring the price action up, right? Because those guys are not, it's not the same sort of deal exactly, I guess you could say. It's a smaller hedge funds still bring pressure to the stock, for sure. Let's give the elephant a little. All right, 1572. Can we keep going? Okay, so we are hitting a resistance level right now. Now, just for a quick second, I'm gonna take the elephant out here so I can show you guys. This is a resistance right here. We are making, now if we cross this, that's good. So then we'd make a little projector, right, before going up again. But if not, if we bounce below, then that is, you know, we are not breaking resistance, right? We want to break resistance. So there's the break. We need a full confirmation of that. Hell yeah, let's get it. Let's go. Actually, technically, this would have been that break. Mini projector, let's go. Or just the other. In and out. Okay, I love it, love it. Let's get it going. Come on. How's the elephant doing? Hey, elephant's doing good so far.
The lies, bouncing off every fucking wall. Closure is well kept. I guess he fears playing the fool. The place that students sit.
235,000 in volume right here. Yo. Push. Come on, push, Amy. Still got an hour. Power hour, come on. For one. Elephant, look at that. Look how it's riding the trunk right now, bro. Jeez. Dude. Man, if we could come to 1625 today, that'd set us up, dude. We're at 26 million in volume right now. Alright, 26 million so far. Let's see how much more volume we can bring in for the last 50 minutes of the day. This shit's primed, bro. This shit is primed for another run. I don't see a resistance level here. Unless I'm blind, but where else? It crossed. It's bullish. There's the cross. Come on. Nice. I'm gonna work on getting the time and sales at the top here, right next to the price action, so we could see it. You know, see him fighting for the ask and the bid. I'll get that in here at some point. There we go. Come on, push it. 1980, 81. Come on, let's go. We just need like 2-3 candles right now with like 500,000 in volume, and this thing should push, man. Beyond. is what we got to cross right now. There we go. How's the elephant doing? Oh no! Just, well, it's like riding it, but you know what? Come right in. Elephant's having a little leak. It's all good. It is all good. Come on, Amy, go back into the channel. Go back into the channel. We're gonna rally as soon as we cross this 1602. To fucking rally it up. GME is also picking up as well in volume, and its setup. The spy, oh, okay, the spy is coming back down a little bit. Hopefully that doesn't affect Amy too much. Hey, May. No more fake outs. Here we go. Alright, one ugly candle, let's go. Ugly candle to the upside. Okay, 1590, bro. Bruh. Yeah, I like to bring in the volume MA as well. Just because gives you a good range here, and I like to let's do 10. Increase. See it started to increase on the drop, and it's starting to increase. Okay, good.
How long? Not long! 'Cause what you reap is what you sow!
Turn around, Amy. Turn around. Oh, Amy, Amy, Amy. Okay, let's see what we got here. You. Right here, baby. Come on. Something like that. Pick up. Let's go again. Let's set up for a rapey rip. Okay, we also crossed the, or I do believe that we did hit our low. Okay, this was the low. All right, at 1460. And we are getting that reversal now. It doesn't matter, guys, if this takes a couple days to go up. Even if we don't go up today, it is likely that we will get more volume coming in. You know, it just started to pick up now. As soon as we cross this level, we should get more volume coming in. Maybe even like after hours, guys. Okay. This is a major level of resistance so far. We would cross, I think, 6 days of resistance if we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And then the next level would be 17. All right.
Gotta get your loving, baby. Your loving's all I need. Don't make me beg now, baby. Don't make me bleed. I gave you all a man could give, and you still walked out on me. Oh, mama, what you gonna do with all that love in you? Oh, mama, what you gotta say about that love in you? Oh, mama, when you walk this way, why don't you give some love? Oh, mama, what you gonna do with all that love in you?
Oh, wait. Okay, well, there's news that the Fed is expected to raise rates, right? Which we already knew by a half point. Okay. But they haven't said anything yet. Even though there's a meeting right now, they haven't said anything that I know of. Because tomorrow is when they release that shit. The SPY is coming down. But Amy's being good. Amy's being good. So far. Yes, turn around. Come on. What do you guys think, guys? Next 40 minutes. What is your price prediction? I'm curious what you guys think. Oh, damn. Some pretty generous price targets right there. Okay, for 40 minutes, 21. Oof. All right, I respect that. I respect that, and I hope, you know, that would be awesome. That would be fucking awesome. I guess we'll see. I guess we'll see. Let's see how much increase. This was about a 10%, I think about a 10% increase, right? Yeah. Well, yeah, 941% increase from the bottom here. 950, and then 15, which was what we were looking at, would be around the $17 level. Look at that. Push, all right. Is this it? Is this it? Let's see. Come on, cross it. All the way through, baby. Let's go. Come on, don't do us like that. Okay, okay, okay. So, I mean, just looking at this from a technical level, you know, we did cross this resistance. Like, it's clear that we crossed it. Now, resist or support would be down here. This would be the first trend line of support. The level of support to bounce off of here, the next, because we did just, we came down here very quickly, came back up. Now we're chilling. Okay. I mean, there is a possibility we come back down here again and sort of do this. But if not, then I think things would just kind of have to start going up here, man. Maybe double top. Double top might be possible too. Huh. Okay, the spy, yeah, the spy is going down, like, pretty heavy right now. Back. Alright. Alright, let's keep an eye on Amy. Turn around. Negative beta, let's go. Negative beta. $68. Amy. Okay, I respect that. See, these are the levels I'm talking about, guys. Okay, up, come back down, you hit this level, and you come back up here, hit this level. This would be the point of interest here. It's like towards the end of the day would be some upside, potentially. Yeah, man, it is looking pretty nice, but I would, yeah, no, for sure, man. If we could come up here today, I think that pattern would continue to play out, but it would play out inverse to the upside, just because this pattern back here, this is November 2nd, I believe, 2020, and then down here you do see this pattern coming back down like that. So I think this part would, that's where the tables would turn. We would flip and play out inverse to the upside. And there's a lot of patterns that we're tracking here, guys. It's not just that one, but. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. 7. All right. Let's go, baby. Push. Yeah, I'm gonna be here a little bit after hours for sure. All right, here's where we have to. We're probably gonna see a volatility here, guys, in the next couple of minutes, up or down. If we did, again, if we did come back down, I think we would bounce off of this level and close around here. Okay, we did this. But if not, I would be looking at this the first level of resistance here before going up again. Make up your mind, Amy. Come on. Make up your mind. Get up. I'm very impressed with how well she's holding up, though, because here, SPY is currently doing, you know. Oh, I promise you, man, if we cross this, we're going to bring in some monkeys, for sure. I promise. GameStop is curling up, though. So, GameStop is showing a bullish setup. Yes. Yes. Okay, let's bring GME. Look at that. It's holding up so well. Could do something like that and go. That would be awesome. He may. Okay. A little thing here. Respect that. Gee, come on, bro. Push. Yes! Come on! Do it! Man, end of day rally going into after hours would be the bomb. Would be the bomb. Okay. Alright, Amy. Okay. Now it's dipping. It's the market dipping. Yeah, this guy's dipping. Pretty hardcore. Of course. Of course. Of course. Of course it is. Fake out. Let's go. Fake out. Come on. Give me that bullshit. We got 40 minutes. We got 24 minutes. You can turn around. Alright, you can turn around, Amy. Got some flies in here. Bro. Amy keeps cheating on you, bro. Nah, she's taking a breather. I think this is priming up, dude. Again, we haven't had a day, okay, recently at least, that where we have crossed, you know, more than 3 resistance levels, or 4. And you know, if we cross this one today, it'll be 5. That's a big deal. Now, it does seem like we are getting more of a breather though, so I'm looking for a bounce down here at 1550 and then continuation to the upside. We still have 20 minutes, so hopefully it does bounce here and we start to go up again. Alright, here we go. Comes close. 1550 is that level. Let's take GameStop out of the way now. This is so funny to me though that... Oh look. This might make a lot of sense. Bouncing off of the... Not only the support, but the new resistance trend line is typically a bullish signal. So if we bounce here, that might be a good thing. Here, and then continue to come back up. A fucking okay. There's that bounce. Now a confirmation of this bounce will either be like a cross on the next resistance, which would be right here at 1570, and we stay there, or we double bounce again. And I think that would indicate a strong volume to the upside reversal. So something like, yeah. We are getting green here, increase in volume. Let's see, come on, Amy. Hold it, hold the line. Let me make sure these lines are good to go. Fucking SPY, dude. Amy is starting to go back up, though, so maybe we did get that bounce here, then. Bruh. Yeah, come on. Push, push, push. Push up. Hey. Don't talk about my girl like that. Dude, bro. She's everybody's, okay? Not just yours, my guy. I love you, bruh. Devin, what you get to eat, man? Got a pretty good look. I hope it holds. I hope it holds. And we bounce here. Okay. That would be very bullish. I hope it. I'm really looking for a heavy volume here towards the end of the day. Price coming back up. Wizard of Wall Street. What am I thinking for tomorrow? So if, you know, AMC did just have a pretty nice rally in my opinion. So a couple of things could happen. All right, they could, if they really want to, you know, have us dip somewhere in the morning and then you know, have that rally basically right after, because that Fed meeting I believe is at, let's see what time it is. If you know the time, you could just put, yeah, let me know. I think it's at 2. Yeah, so it's at 2 p.m. and I believe it's 2 p.m. Eastern. So that's 1 p.m. Central. So yeah, I would say before that, you know, we would probably have that rally. Or not. I mean, guys, the setup looks great. Okay, and I do believe that we are going to get a more pressure to the upside, but it does come down to the market. I'm hoping that, you know, I'm actually hoping that there is good news tomorrow and the rally, you know, continues for the whole market. And Amy just has her run, right? Separately with that, just running with the market, higher percentages and stuff. And hoping it's her day, man. Because today, I mean, this was definitely expected in the sense that there was a point of interest between today, tomorrow as well. There is a point of interest, so it might go into after hours. We'll see though. The thing with after hours, guys, is unless you start to see other hedge funds covering, you know, which is not the most likely thing after hours, you do have to have an increase in volume. So FOMO has to be a thing. FOMO has to be present. So when you get that, typically there will be an increase going into after hours, right? Not something like that. It does have to look like this going into the after hours session, then you continue to have a rally. We'll see though. We'll see. I'll be here a couple minutes because I am going to be interested in earnings as well. There are some earnings that I'm looking at right now. AMD, Starbucks, they have earnings. So let's see what that does to... Dude, this is like McDonald's music right now. Bro. Alright, there's our double bounce. Elevator music, right? Yeah. Lounge music. With a little bit of lo-fi in the mix. Go up, Amy. Go up. Got 7 minutes left, guys. Still respecting the channel. It's right here. As long as we come back. Guys, closing here is perfectly fine in my opinion. Advance back here. Just need a big candle. Come on, baby. 5 minutes left. Give me a biggie candle. To the upside, please. Oh shit. Okay, there we go. There's that biggie candle. Alright, how much? 226,000 right here. Alright. I get it. I feel you. Okay, let's go. Bro, what if we just got like 4 back to back? It just took us all the way up here. Yo. That's perfect. Keep going. Three minutes. 2 minutes, baby. Okay, coming back. How many Rico licks does it take to get to 1,000? Well, we definitely got to get him in here for that. We'll get him back in here at some point. All right, here we go. 14.50. Okay, 30 seconds left, guys, in the market. $15.50. $15.50 we closed at, so we were up for the day. We did close green, which is great. All right, this is what we got. Let's go on the daily chart for a minute. Look at that nice green candle. Things are finally turning green. There is an increase in volume you can see as well. That's bullish. All right. And the next level that we're going to be looking at is 1625. And then beyond that, we do have 19 that we have to cross. So we'll see what happens, man. We will see what happens, but I'm happy with today. I hope you are too. Bro. Okay, just chill here for a minute and see what's going on here in the markets. It's the first step, guys. You got to remember that. It's the first step to going up in price, all right? As the fact that we did this today, man, is a big deal, okay? You got to look at the big picture when you are tracking Amy. Remember, as that one guy used to say, right? When in doubt, zoom out. It's true. Look at that. I mean, just look at it, guys. I'm going to pull up the... moving average here. Moving average sometimes looks a little bit better, but we are trading at very low levels. And what did we do, guys, recently? We just crossed, okay, this parallel channel. We're just coming back into that now. This is the yearly parallel channel. We bounced off of it, and now we're coming back in here, and we should continue this rally to the upside, okay? Looking at this guy from the hour, okay? This one was pretty big, right? We came in, we rallied all the way to 34, like came right through it. Now we're back in the channel, and we're bouncing off of support again, okay? This is one, and then there's also this one, okay? This is the next one, and I still have that level set up here. So even though we're right here right now, you know, we can start to see after hours or tomorrow an increase in price, right? We've done it before. We've done it multiple times right here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 times so far that we've done it. Okay, so this is not impossible. All right, Amy is chilling. Not a lot of volume right now. Okay. Remember, dude, it's a steady race up. The fact that we are the fact that we just crossed multiple levels of resistance here on the previous days, that's a bullish sign. And there's a point of interest right here that we're tracking. So if this is the first step to that, okay, that's fine. That is more than fine. I'm not screaming squeeze tomorrow. I'm saying that the price, okay, is likely to come up in the short term. But remember, I've been saying this from the start, okay? Once a projector fails, if there is a level that we're tracking right now, it is going to be, and this is one that we have to cross, but anywhere that we come close here, remember, these act as little magnets. So if we do bring the price up here to 25, and we hit it just like we did on the 30th of March, and we cross back down, then we are going to see that extension. That will be the confirmation here. Across, though, would mean that we are headed to the upside, right? That is a very bullish thing. We talked about how dangerous it is to cross this resistance trend line. Okay? So, yo. Not the biggest fan of the after hours chart here for AMC or TradingView. Doesn't really give you. This is why I'm gonna get the time and sales, guys, so we can see what's going on live. I'll probably have that on for the stream tomorrow. All right, so if anything does go down here in the short term, I always say this after the stream is over here after 3. If we do continue to have a rally after hours, you'll see me back on stream, okay? So just keep an eye out for the chart, man. I will too. All right. You guys have a dope rest of your day. All right. And let's hope that Amy starts to go up very quickly because we want that rally, right? All right. Love you guys. Bye-bye.